Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you could make $300 per day working from home. Alright, now this is the Infinity processing system, alright? And you can make money with this system just simply by posting ads online, and I'll show you how right now, okay? So you get your own not landing page, but you get your own personalized website, like I have mine here, and it says learn our $300 a day blueprint by posting pre-written ads on social media. Okay. Now this is not a get rich quick scheme or anything like that. You won't make money overnight, but with time and effort, you'll be able to make a passive income, right? And there's me right there, and this is my, like I said, my personal website, and then you can connect with me on social media as well. Okay, now how does this exactly work? Step one, get started. To get started, join one of the levels to get access to your products and your step-by-step digital training. And then step two, start posting ads on social media. All right. And then we show you exactly where and how to start posting ads on social media to drive tons of traffic to your offers. Okay. So step three, get paid, start collecting $100 daily, commission straight to your account. All right. Now I'm going to be going over a couple of other things, the three different levels. Okay. So the starter level is $50, one time admin fee of $25, website fee. Okay. And then what the products that you get, you could only earn from the $50 level, the $50 commission. You get 30 marketing ads plus 20 bonus image ads. You get the winning mindset formula. You get the art of persuasion and influence. Okay, you get the 7-day success action plan, 6-figure closing script, Facebook marketing strategy, and Craigslist marketing strategy. Okay, and that's one-time $50 payment. That's no monthly fees with that. Okay, the elite level is $150, one-time $25 admin website fee. What products do you get? So you'll be able to earn $150 plus the $50 commission. So you'll earn on two different levels. Okay, you get 100 pre-written ads plus 40 bonus image ads, winning mindset formula, the art of persuasion and influence. Okay, you get the 7-day success action plan, the 6-figure closing script, Facebook marketing strategy, uh, 60 Facebook groups, and then the Craigslist marketing strategy. And then you get the Facebook support group, YouTube mastery course, Instagram marketing strategy, and how to create your 6-figure sales funnel. And then it's only a one-time fee of $150. There's no monthly fees with that. And then you get the last level is the pro level, which is $300 one-time fee, one-time payment, and a one-time $25 admin website fee. Okay, and then you get paid on all three levels, and you get 200 pre-written ads, 60 bonus image ads, the winning mindset formula, the art of persuasion and influence, 7-day success action plan, 6-figure closing script, Facebook marketing strategy, 100 Facebook groups, Craigslist marketing strategy, YouTube mastery course. So pretty much everything before, but a few added extras, bonuses. You get a 30-day email follow-up series to close your sales on autopilot, a TikTok marketing strategy, and you get direct access to our VP training and live chat and exclusive trainings. Okay, that's of course a one-time payment of $300. No monthly fees with that either. Okay, so we're gonna go down here to see what is that exactly is possible if you are consistent with this. So the number of sales a day for the $50 level, Of course, you just have to make one sale to make $50 a day. To reach the $300 level, you will have to make around 5 to 6 sales a day on the $50 level. That's why it's recommended you either get the $150 level or the $300 level. You'll to get $300 on this elite level, you only have to do 2 sales per day. Okay, and then of course, if you join the pro level, you'll earn $300 just by making one sale, of course. All right. Now, if you decide to join me, you'll get a free marketing system as well, and then an email follow-up script. Okay, and then I'll show you additional websites for free where you can get free traffic and you don't have to pay for it. And they also have free traffic inside the system as well too. Now, if you are ready to get started today, go ahead and click the link below. Once again, thank you for being my channel. Have a good one.